Hey guys, welcome to another Forlitz's Arts and Architecture project. And this time we finally decided to start and build our own ADU project. What is ADU? ADUs are known by many names, including accessory dwelling unit, second unit, in-laws unit, granny flat, casita, and backyard home. But no matter what you call them, these are homes located on the same piece of property as another home. They provide a complete and permanent home for at least one person. The future video will explain why we decided to continue this project a year after my first conceptualization of the design and after a year of consideration. In the series of videos, I want to share the process of our ADU project from the ground up. This ADU project is about architecture, construction, real estate, finance, building wealth for the future, and possibly our future tiny home when we go older and decide to live minimalist. I would try to be transparent as much as I can with all the numbers and data of this project so you can learn how to build your own ADU if you decide in the future. So let me start today by sharing the result of my design process for this 32 feet by 16 feet accessory dwelling unit project using my knowledge in architecture. I came up with this dimension because that is what will fit in the available space in my backyard without sacrificing much of my succulent garden space and that it will not look and feel so crowded. Last year, I released a video conceptualizing the ADU. Most dimensions are still the same, except I will now eliminate the idea of including my art studio in the ADU. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, smash the like button, share, and leave the comment. The goal for this tiny house is to have at least 2 bedrooms and 1 bath that will be a home for at least a family of 3. It will have a small but functional and efficient kitchen, an open and high ceiling for living and dining spaces, and laundry will be provided for their own convenience. The motif is a modern farmhouse with features that match the existing main house. In this elevation, it is facing the main house, and it is highly required privacy for both. So on this wall, I was trying not to put windows or doors. However, the dining space will be dark if I don't put natural ventilation. So to attain the privacy and lighting of the room, I increased the ceiling height and put a transom window to allow natural lighting to come through without sacrificing privacy from and to the main house. Doing so allows me to use this area as a focal point of my design and gives a nice view of the structure from our main house. With my succulent garden surrounding this proposed farmhouse cottage structure, I think it will look so serene and awesome looking from our main house backyard. The entry is on the left side of the structure, again, for privacy purposes and for easy access to the kitchen. The kitchen window is also on this side of the wall. A 30 feet by 10 feet backyard or patio with a fence will be provided so that the renter will have their own service space. They will keep their garbage and recycle bins in this space. They will be exiting from this door when the time for garbage collection. There's not much to say about the right side elevation, except that I needed to put this small window for the bathroom. The rear elevation is simple. I needed to put the windows for the bedrooms for their safety exit and natural ventilation. The access to the patio is through the sliding door that connects the living area and this tiny house's private patio. That's it for today, guys. I hope you find this video interesting and I hope you learned from this video. Thanks for watching and see you in my next content.